you to do it. All right, we made it to Barnwell Mountain. It's Livia's first ride really doing off-roading in the Razor. What'd you think? It was fun. What was your favorite part? Going up and down?
Yeah, muddy.
And you got muddy?
Yeah!
Well, it splashes everywhere.
I know. But I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Well, I think we're going to eat lunch. Dinner. Bring you dinner, then we'll go back out.
Okay.
Okay.
And we will do that again.
Yes, take it off. Was that a long ride? Did you fall asleep? A lot. It was rough. Yeah.
No one's gonna let me ride.